Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Dear student, today we shall talk about the Surya Empire. प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा था बाबर और हुमायूं के बारे में. आज हम पढ़ेंगे शेरशाह के बारे में, उसकी कनकेस्ट और शेरशाह की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में. Dear students, Shersha Suri, he was the founder of the Suri dynasty and he was born in 1472 AD. और इसके फादर का नाम था हसन खान सुर and he ascended throne in 1540. Dear student, जो शेरशाह सूरी था, he was a very able administrator and is remembered for his rule and the reform he introduced. Dear student, जो शेरशाह था, he took the advantage of the problems faced by Humayun and he managed to overthrow the Mughal rulers. जो उसका reign था spanned for 5 years, but it is a landmark in the history of the subcontinent. Now, conquest of Sher Shah Suri, occupation of Bihar and Chunu in 1529 and 30. Just after the death of Bahar Khan और उसकी जो विडो थी अपॉइंटेड शेर शाह एज हर डिप्टी. शेर शाह वॉज नाउ कंट्रोल्ड होल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इन 1530 में क्या होता है, शेर शाह कंट्रोल्ड द चुनूर. नाउ बैटल ऑफ सूरजगढ़ 1534. इस बैटल में क्या होता है, शेर शाह गिव ए क्रशिंग डिफीट टू बोथ सुल्तान मोहम्मद ऑफ बंगाल और जलाल खान को. द विक्ट्री ऑफ सूरजगढ़ वाज ए टर्निंग पॉइंट in the career of Sher Shah. After the occupation of Delhi and Agra 1540, as a result of victory of Kannauj, क्या होता है, जो एरियाज होते हैं अब दिल्ली और आगरा के पास into his hands. After that, Sher Shah's conquest after becoming the ruler of Delhi. Sher Shah conquered Raisin, Multan and Sindh in 1543 and Mewar in 1544. After the conquest of Kalinjar in 1545. Yesterday it was in this battle that Sher Shah was wounded by an accidental explosion of gunpowder and फिर क्या होता है, and he died on 22nd May 1545. Now administration of Sher Shah. Dear students, जो शेर शाह था, he was not only a great military general but also a great administrator. During his short period of 5 years, उसने क्या किया, he brought great changes in the administration system. Central administration. Central administration king आता है. The king was the head of the administration और he could pass any law and execute it. He was the commander in chief of army. और जो किंग था, he had kept all his noble under his control and did not allow them to interfere in the administration. Now, council of ministers. The student जो शेर शाह था, he had a council of ministers to assist him in the smooth functioning of the administration. इसमें पहला दीवान वजारत. The students, this department dealt with revenue and financial matters. और ये किसकी चार्ज में था, इट वॉज अंडर द चार्ज ऑफ मिनिस्टर, जिसको कहा जाता था वजीर. आफ्टर दैट दीवान अर्ज. दिस डिपार्टमेंट वॉज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिक्रूटमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइज एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑफ आर्मी एंड द हेड ऑफ दिस डिपार्टमेंट वॉज कॉल्ड द अर्ज ममलक. और उसके बाद दीवान रिसालत. दिस डिपार्टमेंट डेल्ट विद द फॉरेन अफेयर्स ऑफ द स्टेट. उसके बाद दीवान बरीद. It was a sort of intelligence department. Now, after that is provincial administration. Dear students, Sher Shah divided his empire into provinces known as sarkars. These were further subdivided into parganas, and these were further divided into smaller units. Provincial administration. The province was the biggest unit of administration, and जो शेर शाह था, शेर शाह's empire consists of 12 provinces. सरकार administration. Each जो हर कोई province was divided into सरकार, और the administration of सरकार was carried by two officials, जिनको कहा जाता था चीफ शिकदार and chief munsif. After that is Pargana administration. Pargana, each sarkar was divided into Pargana Administration of Pargana was carried out by the Shikdar, Munsip, and many other officials. After that is village administration. जो village administration थी, village was the smallest unit of administration. The village panchayat and patwari were the responsible of the village administration. Now, major Shersha took for the welfare of people. Dear student, जो शेरशाह था, he took remarkable measures for the welfare of general public. उसने क्या किया? उसने रोड्स बनाए. शेरशाह was a great builder of roads. It is estimated that he constructed 3600 miles of roads. On both sides of these roads उसने क्या किया था? शेरशाह planted trees. They made it easy for imperial troops to move from one place to another. उसके बाद सराइज. शेरशाह built a large number of sarais on every road. There were about 700 sarais. और उसने क्या किया? शेरशाह had made arrangements of food for both Hindu and Muslim travelers. और बाद में क्या, जो ये सराइज थी, some of these sarais developed into markets. उसके पोस्टल सिस्टम. शेरशाह ने क्या किया था? शेरशाह established डाक चौकी और पोस्टल सिस्टम. Every sarai 2 horses were kept. In horses से क्या काम? Through these horses letters and reports were sent from one sarai to another. The postal system of Sher Shah जो था was so efficient that news reached to him every day. Free kitchen. Sher Shah ने क्या किया? He set up free kitchen at many places in his empire to feed the poor and destitutes. After these commercial measures, जो शेरशाह took the measures to promote trade and commerce. और उसने क्या किया था? He abolished many taxes which were previously taken from the merchants. Now, military administration क्या थी शेरशाह सूरी की? अगर शेरशाह सूरी जो था was a great military general, जैसे हमें पता है, he realized the importance of well organized and efficient military system. और उसने क्या किया? He brought many reforms in the army. He maintained a large and powerful army. For the safety of his kingdom and suppression of rebellions, शेरशाह ने क्या किया? He maintained a large and strong army. जो मुश्तमिल थी, that was it consists of 1,50,000 cavalry, 2,500 infantry, and 500 elephants. After that is practice of dag and chira. शेरशाह introduced the practice of dag and chira. और ये क्या था? This was a very important method of checking the fraudulent practice in army. Every horse trained for the battle was branded with dag. After the recruitment of Afghans, क्योंकि शेरशाह सूरी ने क्या किया? He recruited mostly Afghan soldiers from every part of the country and also from Afghanistan. And उसने क्या किया था? And he gave them important posts in the army. Garrisoned the forts. Sher stationed the troops at important forts like Gwalior, Raisin, and Chinor. The student जो शेरशाह था, he was great. We can say that he was great military general, and he was a bull administrator. And still he is known for his rule and the reforms he introduced in his administration.